turn our TV off?
Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, this is another template preview. Can you guys guess what this is? Can you guess what this is? What is it? Bam! You guys, this is the cereal. Look at that. That's the size of cereal, 0.95 ounces. You guys, look at this. This is super cute. Now, you got to excuse this because I forgot to remove the words on the final printout. It said top and bottom flaps. So that I knew.
I found another remote too. 3 remotes.
Alright, that's awesome, son.
I found 3 remotes.
You found 3 remotes, but it's time for bed. You can't play the game right now.
I can watch YouTube.
Boy, go to bed.
I can watch YouTube.
Bed, son. Okay. Anywho. The measurements are going to be on my Patreon page. I will leave the link in the description box. You guys, he is wearing me out, I swear. Okay, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and show how I assembled this, but I'm going to go because this boy, this boy is crazy. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys later. Bye.